Hi guys, how's it going? And welcome to Easy English with Matt. Today guys, I'm going to teach you the ing suffix and how do we use it in English language. And we're going to begin in just 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And guys, I know there are a lot of explanations on this topic out there on the internet, but sometimes they are hard and just difficult to understand for us, just casual folks, right? So I'm going to try to make it as simple and easy as possible to you guys. And let's begin with the easiest way of using ing, and that is present, future, and past continuous or progressive tenses. So how do we form that? We just take any verb we find, like eat, drink, run, walk, whatever, and add ing suffix, right? Super simple. So we have eating, drinking, working, reading, writing, whatever. So present tense, I am working, I am eating. Future continuous, I will be working, I'm going to be working. And the past tense, I was working yesterday, I was reading 2 weeks ago, I was, let's say, drinking 2 nights ago, and so on, guys. Get going, folks, and now we have ing for adjectives. And well, this is a little harder, but not too hard still. So we need ing to make an adjective out of a verb. Again, so usually it's still a verb, but it's used as an adjective. For example, we have a verb to bore, right? So there was a lecture in my university and that was so bad. The teacher made us so bored. So right, to bore is to make someone not interested in what's going on, right? And to make an adjective like the lecture was what? It was boring, right? We add ing to the word bore and we have boring. So now it's an adjective, it's not a verb. Lecture was boring, that person is boring. Or we have a verb to amaze someone, right? So we have an adjective amazing. That lecture was amazing, a movie was amazing, that girl or that boy is amazing. Or to surprise, this is surprising, right? This was so surprising, and that is an adjective. This is not a verb anymore, right? Let's go on, folks, and the next we have for ing is a noun created by adding ing to a verb again. So this is called gerund, and if you ever hear the word gerund, don't be afraid. This is just a noun which was created by adding ing to a verb. And well, you're probably not gonna hear it anywhere outside unless you're talking to a teacher about English grammar. So guys, how do we make a noun using ing? Super simple. First, you just take a verb and then you add ing at the end of this verb. Simple, right? Of course. Now guys, let's take a look at some verbs such as to walk, to work, to run, to drink, to eat, whatever. And you want to say that you like those things. So you want to say like, I like to run. I like to drink. So you like to do that, right? You like those verbs. But you want to change it just for this case to a noun. So you want to say the same way as you say, I like computers, I like bread, I like cars, whatever. So you can say it the same way. You can make a noun out of a verb. So you just need ing. I like running. I like jogging, I like eating. Now you're talking about the action as a noun, not as the actual action. So if you want to use the verb as a noun, then just add ing and sound like I like running, I like jogging, I like walking, eating, and so on. This is all for our today's video, guys. I hope that you liked it and I hope it was useful for you. I know there are more explanations out there on the internet and they are hard and difficult and they're like more particular, and like some teachers use really hard and complicated words to explain those things. So even I cannot understand what are they talking about. Maybe sometimes, but not always. So guys, you don't need that to be fluent in English. All you need is use those ing suffixes as I taught you today, and that's going to be enough for your fluency in English. And well, this is it for today. Don't forget to smash your likes if you like the video. Don't forget to smash your dislikes if you didn't. Subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time and you watched till the end. Wow, thank you. I'm posting videos every single week, sometimes even twice a week, so you can learn a lot of English from me. And this is it for today, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.